students, hope you're all fine and wishing you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali. I have taught all the topics except preposition from the parts of speech in English. I mean noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, verb, conjunction and also interjection. So preposition is left and that's gonna be the today's topic. So let's start. What is preposition? A preposition is a word that indicates the relationship between a noun and the other words of a sentence. They explain relationships of sequence, space, and logic between the object of the sentence and the rest of the sentence. They help us understand order, time connections, and positions. Few examples: I am going to Canada. Alex threw a stone into the pond. The present is inside the box. They have gone out of the town. So these words to, into, inside, out of, these are prepositions. There are a few interesting linguistic facts about preposition. First, they are a closed class of words, which means no new preposition gets added to the language. We use a fixed set of prepositions. We cannot add anything. Second, prepositions do not have any other form. They cannot be plural, possessive, inflection, or anything else. Third, most of the prepositions have many different contextual and natural uses, so it is easy to be confused about preposition. Fourth, sometimes a preposition works as nouns, adjectives, and adverbs. Prepositions can be of 1, 2, 3, or even more words. Prepositions with 2 or more words are called phrasal prepositions. Few commonly used phrasal prepositions are because of, in case of, instead of, by way of, on behalf of, on account of, in care of, in spite of, on the side of, etc. I think you all have heard these words actually. Okay, next, types of preposition. Most of the prepositions have many uses. There are some prepositions which are commonly in every type of preposition as they function in a versatile way. And what are the types? Prepositions of time, prepositions of place and direction, prepositions of agents or things, and last but not least, phrasal prepositions. First, prepositions of time. Prepositions of time show the relationship of time between the nouns to the other parts of a sentence. On, at, in, from, to, for, since, ago, before, till, until, by, etc. are the most common preposition of time. Example, he started working at 10 a.m. Particular time, that is why at. The company called meeting on 25th October. Particular date, on. There is a holiday in December, in a month, that is why in. He has been ill since Monday. Okay, next. Prepositions of place and direction. Prepositions of place show the relationship of place between the nouns to the other parts of a sentence. Examples: on, at, in, by, from, to, towards, up, down, across, between, among, through, in front of, behind, above, over, under, below, etc. They are the most common prepositions of place or direction. Example: he is at home. Particular place, home, that is why at. Particular time, just like 10 a.m. and also particular place, we have to use at. He came from England. The police broke into the house. Police entered the house. If you enter some place from another place, you have to use enter. Just like the boy rushed into the room, the girl jumped into the pond. From the air to pond, from the land into the pond. That is why into. I live across the river. So these were prepositions of place and direction. Okay, next one, prepositions of agents or things. Prepositions of agents or things indicate a casual relationship between nouns and other parts of the sentence. Of, for, by, with, about, etc. These are the most used and common prepositions of agents or things. Example, this article is about smartphones. Most of the guests have already left. I will always be here for you. He is playing with his brothers. So, about, of, for, with. These are prepositions of agents or things. Okay, last but not least, phrasal prepositions. A phrasal preposition is not a prepositional phrase, but they are a combination of two or more words which function as a preposition, along with, apart from, because of, by means of, according to, in front of, contrary to, in spite of, on account of, in reference to, in addition to, in regard to, instead of, on top of, out of, with regard to, etc. are the most common phrasal prepositions. These are actually well-known words to you, I know. Whenever we speak to someone, we tend to use these words. Anyway, examples. They, along with their children, went to Atlanta. According to the new rules, you are not right. In spite of being a good player, he was not selected. I am going out of the city. So these were the phrasal prepositions. Okay? These were preposition and its types. So this is it, and all the topics from passive speech are completed. I hope you like the video and also understand it quite well. So I'm gonna send few exercises, and you all have to send me those answers to my WhatsApp number as soon as possible. Thank you so much.